today needs to hear that your breaking point is God's building point. Your breaking point is God's building point. My breaking point came when my last sibling passed away 3 years ago. They were all gone. My siblings, my parents, everyone was gone. I was broken. I stayed the course because what else am I gonna do? The only other option was to join them. I wasn't ready for that. God has rebuilt me. He has used the circumstances of the most terrible time in my life to show me I'm not done yet, to show me I'm worth still being here. There's a reason that I'm still here, just like there's a reason that you're still here, my friend. Do the thing. Take the trip, make the money, whatever it is. Don't stop because it hurts right now. It's gonna get better. It gets better as you move through it and not succumb to it.